In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an FAQ section in Webflow, a brilliant tool for designing custom websites without the need for any coding skills. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to Webflow's website. On the homepage, you'll see a prompt to get started for free. Simply click on that and it will guide you to the account creation page. Here you have the option to create an account using your email and a secure password, or alternatively, you can choose to sign up using your Google account, which is a faster option if you're already signed into Google. Once your account is set up, you'll be directed to the Webflow editor. This is your creative space where all the magic happens. Within the editor, locate the CMS panel on the left side of the interface and give it a click. The CMS, or Content Management System, is where you'll be creating your FAQ collection. Now select the option to create a new collection. Collections are essentially groups of similar items, and in this case it's going to hold your frequently asked questions. A prompt will appear for you to type in relevant information about your FAQ, like the collection name and any other necessary details you want to keep organized here. After you've filled out the basic information, it's time to start structuring your FAQ. Click on Add Field and choose Plain Text from the list of options. This will allow you to type in the actual questions and answers that will make up your FAQ section. Be sure to save each field after entering the information to ensure no data is lost. Once your FAQ content is ready, hit the Create Collection button, and now it's time to implement it on your site. Return to the designer by going back to your main workspace. Here you'll add a div block. Simply click on it and drag it onto your page to create a container for your FAQ section. Next, you'll need to add a text block within the div and then move on to the element panel. This is where you'll include the collection list you just created. Click to add the collection list to ensure your FAQs are now visible within the div block. Finally, to publish your updates to your website, click on Publish at the top right corner of your screen. Make sure you select the domain you wish to publish these changes to. After confirming, click Publish to selected domains to make your FAQ live on your site. And there you have it, your FAQ section is now live on your website, and you can close the publishing panel. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Creating an FAQ in Webflow is a straightforward task once you know where everything is. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.